Good morning. It doesn't matter day, or in other words, it's Thursday. It's the jobs number. It's the Bubba Show. You know, as you've now noticed, I hope you've now, after weeks and weeks of me telling you it doesn't matter, I hope you've now taken to heart that the jobs number is just a number created by the news media that tells you that you should be concerned. It has absolutely no meaning. Now, last Friday we had the big jobs number of the month, and of course it came in right as is expected, and the market kind of turned around, did light volume, and didn't do much. I was under the opinion that we needed a much bigger number to continue the rally, but the underlying market was so strong that I was wrong on the number because I thought we would have a steeper sell-off. Now, I think that by now we're going to have some selling pressure, and I think you want to watch for some of the levels. Now, as the Dow and the S&P were trading up at almost 5-year highs, I think what we want to look for is to come back down to those initial levels of support, you know, somewhere around, you know, the 1410, 1420 in the S&P, and somewhere around 13,000 in the Dow. I think those are important numbers to now watch. I believe that, you know, we probably, for the near term, had put in the near term lows. I think that we are bending our way higher, and I think all you have to do is take out some of that parabolic move and some of that rate of change stuff. But there will be, now there's going to be some action and there's going to be some volatility coming into this market fairly soon, and hopefully it'll be this week. But what I think you have to understand is that the numbers have not meant as much because the underlying markets are strong, and one of the things you have to take into consideration is why are they strong? They're strong because with interest rates at these levels, there is nowhere for people to go with their money other than the stock market. It's called the ever chase for yield. That's why you see more action. But that's also why you see a lot less volatility, and that's also why you see a lot less volume, because the markets people are either not participating or they're participating through mutual funds and not through actual retail trade. I look for some of that to come back. I look for some more volatility, and I think we're going to get some action, and I think that this week, next week, we're going to start to see some real big action. So let's hope. And remember, Bubba's Picks. Remember, for Thursday, it doesn't matter day, the Bubba Show. We'll talk to you on Friday, Commodity Corner.